So, good morning, grade 6 Rizal. So, I am Teacher Giselle, your teacher in science. So, are you ready for our lesson for today or for our discussion for today? Okay. Our topic for today is all about one of the basic concept or one of the concept in physics. So, are you ready? So, I give you one example or give you an example to guess what is the concept of physics that we are tackling today. So, okay, I'd like everyone to stand up, and when I count 1, 2, 3, let's jump. Okay, understood? Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, why did we land on the ground instead of floating into the space? And is anyone who can answer that one? Okay, very good. It's because of the gravity. Because gravity is what pulls everything toward the ground, or including us, like what we did lately that we jumped. So without the force of gravity, there would be no life on Earth, like air, water, animals, and everything would be fly off in the space. So, the gravity is like an invisible super glue that holds our massive world together. So you can see it, but it's always there. Remember that in gravity. Did you know Isaac Newton is the first person who studied the gravity? So the story of Isaac in gravity is he is hung out under the apple tree. He is probably napping, and suddenly one apple falls down in his head. So Isaac Newton wondered what or why did the apple falls down into the ground and not up or sideways. So he realized that a special kind of force would be gravity was acting all the object on the earth. So fold them toward in it. So once an apple become heavy to the stem of the tree, it will not hold longer anymore. So the gravitational force on Earth has fallen in the ground. So Newton's realized that even if how heavy an object, if they were like for example, when you are holding apple, ball pen, if you will let go on it, it will go down in the ground. So basically, Isaac Newton determines that what goes up must go down. So the gravity that we did lately, we jump, but we come back to the ground. So that is because of the gravity. Understood? That is the meaning, or that is the purpose of gravity in Earth. Okay, understood? Okay, I hope you learned in our discussion or our lesson for today. So, goodbye and thank you. Grade 6 Rizal. See you to our next meeting.